Hello, everyone. Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm here to share with you guys my submission to my challenge that I was challenged by Lady Creed. This is the last one for this year, and it worked out good for me. I was just reflecting before I started this video that I don't know, did she know, or did the Lord just tell her to give me today as the last day to have, to submit everything, because tomorrow is the anniversary of my mom's death. And you guys know that it's been one death after another for me. My work mother, and then 30 days later was my biological mother, and then last year, then this November was my very, very close friend out the blue in November. So it's been a little rough. The grief thing has been really, really hard for me these last couple of months. So this was a welcome change. It made me get in my craft room and do something. Because y'all noticed that haven't been in the videos. I have just been in the dumps. Just really haven't. I just literally just been going to work, coming home, and going to bed crashing because of just trying to keep my sanity with everything that has been going on. You know, we all process death different. So, yeah, so this was a good one. Okay, so what I had to do, I had to make 15 identical A2 Christmas cards with the inside stamped with the envelope. And I had to make 15 giftable creations and have them filled for 15. Y'all know that I am a new director at a mental health center. I actually have a staff now. So what I decided to do was just use these to give my staff my token of love for the holidays. And I could have used two kits, I believe, from Divinity. It was either one or two. But that was it. No heavy stipulation other than Divinity Design stuff. So I pulled out this jute. I have plenty of these bags, but I was too lazy to dig, so I just went by the $1.25 tree and got some of these to house them in. For Divinity, everything else is Divinity. I use this gift tag. I decided to use a kit. They had these marked down one year for cheap. And so I grabbed all the ones that they had left. This is what I use for my cards. And yeah, it worked out good. I just have a little strips left. And you can see all the everything that came with it. And then also they had some additional dies for the snow globe. So I bought them. I'm not sure where this come from, but I used to know well off this one. And then that Jesus. Saw that. But this was the additional one that you had to buy that didn't come in the kit, so I bought that. But it goes with the snow globe. All right, let's see. I'm just making sure I haven't missed anything. Let's see what else. So I used that kit. It's out of stock, and I used that. I used these ornaments right here. And then I made this Glorious Gable box. And the inserts was, because I used the thick cardstock, it would not cut. So I just used white cardstock. And then I used rose gold foil for my gold piece, accent piece. All right, so let me show you the cards right quick. These are all of them. They're ready to go. Okay. What I did was the piece that was left out, I just used a circle punch and punched it to add like a faux envelope seal just to use up what was left. All right, so here is the card right here. All of them are identical. So you see I just picked out the piece that I want to use for the focal piece. And then I just rose gold the globe. Oh, I forgot to show you that black shiny paper. We got that from Expo, from their booth. It used to be like $2 a pack for all them sheets. I forgot to grab that. And then you see the Jesus. And believe it or not, I have, well, not believe it or not, but I do have staff that do not, I do have one atheist, but they don't care if I give them this. And we know atheists just don't believe that there's a God or devil. So that's the inside. But I asked him if he would have an issue if I did something holiday, Christmas related. He said, yeah, I don't have an issue with that. He just, he just told me he just don't believe in it. But he's not offended. So that worked out. So these are all of those. And all of them are like that. All right. And then the gable box. Okay. So here is the gable box. That's with that tag. And these are the ornaments that I used to decorate. And then on the inside, I got everybody a pair of fuzzy socks. And my 2 male staff, of course, if they don't want to wear them, they can give them to their wife. And because it was so many I had to make, I just stuffed it with candy. The other stuff that I had that I was going to give them actually would not fit in here. So that sucks. I had a whole different thing set up, but the stuff, it wouldn't fit. So I don't know. I had caught myself measured out the gable box, but when I got to put in there, it still didn't fit. I don't know what I did wrong, but yeah, nevertheless, it's a token that counts. Just showing them that I appreciate them for their service to our community and them working up under me. All right, so and let me show you the packaging. So I just did the loop bag with the tissue paper, did the bow. You can see the sock I had to lay across the top because it won't fit in the gable box. And that's the tag that I made and stamped that Noel that I showed y'all earlier. And then I just have them all in the box, just ready to go. We have our Christmas party on the 20th. My center Christmas party is on the 20th. So I will give that to them then. So thank you again so much, Lady Cree, for this challenge. It was much needed for me to help sort of pull me out of the funk that I was in. Yes. So I'm so excited about everything. It turned out well in spite of. And I will be back with another video. Hopefully I'll get some motivation to make some other things, honey. And I will see y'all in another video. I think I just said it 2 or 3 times. I'm not sure. But bye. Thanks for watching.